السلام عليكم يا أطفال الأحباء. مرحبا أهلا وسهلا إلى فصلنا. Today we are going to study from page number 15. All of you take your Arabic textbook and take this page. Our lesson starting from page number 15. First I am writing some word meanings on the board. Look at the board carefully. عصفور عصفور كتاب قرد قرد قطة قطة. You know meaning of عصفور? عصفور meaning sparrow. Kitab meaning book. Kitab meaning book. Qird. What is the meaning of qird? Monkey. Monkey. Qird meaning monkey. You know meaning of qittat? Qittatun meaning cat. Qittatun meaning cat. Qittun also cat. Qittun also cat. Qittun meaning cat. Qittatun meaning cat. Qittun male word. Male. Qittatun female. Qittatun female. You know meaning of ma? What is this? Ma. You know this meaning? Ma meaning what? Ma meaning what? What is this? Mada. What is the meaning of Mada? What is the meaning of Ma? Ma meaning what? Mada meaning what? Same meaning. Ma meaning what? Mada also what? Next I am writing some words on the board. What is this? Please read. Yaqra'u. Next one. Yashrabu. Please read with me. Yaqra'u. Yashrabu. يكتب. ينظف. യുനല്ലിഫു. തൻഹലു. തൻഹലു. തദ്ഹബു. تذهب. What is this? Ma. Meaning of ma, what? Mada, what? Next one, yaqra'u. Yashrabu. Yaktubu. Yunallifu. تنهلو. تذهب. Listen to board. First letter starting with ta. Here also starting with ta. Other words are starting with ya. Look at the board. Ya, 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 ya. Here ta, here also ta. Ma, ra. Mada. Ya, fa, lu. Mada yaf'alu. Aman. A, ma, aman. Last a question mark. We know meaning of mada. What is the meaning of mada? Meaning of mada, what? We know meaning of mada, what? Next one, yaf'alu. What is the meaning of yaf'alu? He is doing. Aman, a name, Aman. What is Aman doing? What is Aman doing? Meaning of mada, what? What? Aman. Aman. Doing. What is Aman doing? A small mistake here. What is Aman? What is Aman doing? Look at the textbook. Please read with the help of textbook. Mada yaf'alu Aman. Mada yaf'alu Aman. What is doing Aman? Aman reading book. Aman reading book. What is the Arabic word? Reading. You know Arabic word of reading? We know yaqra'u. 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 Our answer, Aman. Aman yaqra'ul kitaba. Aman yaqra'ul kitaba. Aman yaqra'ul kitaba. Mada yaf'alu Aman. What is Aman doing? Answer, Aman yaqra'ul kitaba. Aman reading book. Look at the second question. We are making question. Look at the picture. Question number 2. Usfur. What is the meaning of usfur? Sparrow. Here is a question mark also. Dash al-usfur. You make question with the help of picture. First you observe the picture and you make question like this. I am doing an example. Mada yaf'alu usfur. Mada yaf'alu usfur. What is doing sparrow? What is doing sparrow? The sparrow is doing what? Drinking. Look at the picture. The sparrow is drinking water. Correct? Yes. You know Arabic word of drinking? Yes, we studied in our last class. What is the Arabic word of drinking? Yashrabu. You write yashrabu to this line. You write yashrabu on this line. You see some dots here? Please write your answer on this line. What is our answer? Yes, you write only yashrabu. We are writing only action. Yashrabu. Like that, we are making next question. Look at the textbook. What is this? This boy writing some things. Dash Selim. Who is Selim? Who is Selim? Selim is a name. What is he is doing? He is writing. He is writing. You know Arabic word of writing? Yes, we know. Yaktubu. yaktubu. We are doing our answer on this line. Yaktubu. Look at the next picture. Question number 4. Dash al-qird. Dash al-qird. We are completing question. Mada yafalu. ماذا يفعل القرد. ماذا يفعل القرد. The monkey is cleaning teeth. You know Arabic word of cleaning? Yes, we know. Please say with me. What is Arabic word of cleaning? Yunallifu. Our answer, yunallifu. 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 Next question. Dash Zainab. Zainab is a name. A female name. Qitwat. What is the meaning of qitwat? We study in the beginning of our class meaning of qitwin and qitwatun. Qitwin and qitwatun. Qitun meaning cat, male. Qittatun also cat, but qittatun female word. Qittatun cat meaning cat. Look at the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Zainab female. Qittatun also female. A small change coming in this question. Mada. Next what? 2 options are here. You choose and write. Yafalu, tafalu. Mada yafalu or mada tafalu. Which is correct? Mada tafalu Zainab. Mada tafalu Zainab. What is Zainab doing? What is Zainab doing? What is Zainab doing? Our answer. Our answer, yanhalu or tanhalu. Yes, tanhalu. First letter starting with a ta. Ta. Tanhalu. Why? Zainab. That word female. Then we are using their ta'u. Tanhalu. Next question also like this. Question number 6. Dash al-qitwatu. Mada taf'alu al-qitwatu. What is doing cat? Our answer. Please join with me. Yes. Tadhabu. Tadhabu. You know meaning of tadhabu? Yes, tadhabu meaning going. Tadhabu. Tadhabu. Today we are taking a small part from page number 50. You read 2 times after do your work with the help of textbook and help of my video. Thank you my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.